Download the firmware for your specific model from the official website and unzip the file. Open the unzipped folder and copy all files to the root directory of the TF card using a card reader. Safely eject the card reader, then remove the TF card. Disconnect the power cable from the dash cam. Insert the TF card containing the update files into the device. Reconnect the power cable. Press the power button and wait for the device to boot up. Tap the Confirm button on the screen to start the firmware update. The update is successful. You can configure the device according to your personal preferences. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings menu and open Product Information to verify the firmware version.